These tennis ball and pickleball courts at Lions Park are super impressive now they've been redone, but the real Grand Slam is right across the street. So we're located on a quiet street in Lions Park, which is downtown Canmore. We're just opposite those tennis courts that we started at, and this is a north-south facing lot. So this north side, we've got some beautiful shade on a hot day and incredible views of Rundle Mountain. And then out back, we've got this just beautiful oasis of a deck for sun lovers with incredible mountain views of Three Sisters. But let's go inside and take a look at the rest of the house. We've got almost 2,400 square feet in this raised bungalow on the 2 levels. The main floor has these beautiful large windows that let in all this natural light to the living room, and the patio doors and kitchen window frame the Three Sisters mountain perfectly. Living room's super cozy. We've got this nice rock fireplace with the gas fireplace insert into it, and we've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom up on this level. This kitchen is nice and spacious, and it looks out over to the living room and dining room, so it's perfect when you're entertaining guests. And then we also have easy access to that back south-facing deck where you can have dinner in the evenings under the watchful eye of those majestic mountain views. Before we head down to the lower level, we've got the 3 bedrooms up on this level. They're all really great sizes, and the primary bedroom is located on the back of the house, which takes advantage of those Three Sisters mountain views once again. So the back of the house has its own private entrance here, which is perfect if you ever want to suite the lower level. It comes in right off the parking and the backyard. This lower level is nice and bright. We've got 2 additional bedrooms down here with a 3-piece washroom and then this wonderful large family room. Rounding out this lower level, you've got a huge storage space as well as a really generous laundry room. This is the perfect place to just sit and take in the peace and quiet of Canmore. It's a really tranquil backyard, and check out those mountain views behind me. They are just amazing. You don't get much better than that in Canmore. This backyard has everything you need as a private oasis. It's got a beautiful fire pit, some shaded deck area just off to my left, and then also room for a future double car garage. As always, if you've got any questions about this property or any other properties in Canmore, my contact information is just below, and we have a number of new videos coming out in the next week, so don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the new listings.